Hello good friends, welcome to my video tutorial. And for today's video tutorial I want to show you how you can set an auto reply for your mixed calls and the messages that you receive. Now when you look at my screen, you know that I already have an example of what I'm trying to explain about. You know that when you look at my screen, my phone screen, you know that this is my auto reply. Again, that you know that this is my message content. As you can see, this is the content. This is my set content, which anytime I miss a call, the caller will receive the message automatically. Again, you know that it is active for anybody who SMSs me or who calls me. You know that it is active to everybody. And that is now where I want us we concentrate today. Maybe you are in a business or you receive many calls. Sometimes you are busy, you are unable to answer the calls, you are unable to reply to the SMSs. Before I enter to the main tutorial, I would like to give thanks to all my members, my subscribers, those who are listening, those who are watching. Welcome, and please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now to do this, you just need a certain app on your Android phone. This is the name of the app. It is known as the auto message. So what you need, you just go to your Play Store, you open your Play Store and install the app. It is known as the auto message. This is this one. I just provide a link to install the app on this video description. You just install the app. After installing the app, you have to allow the app to access your phone contacts, your messages, etc. for it to function well on your phone. Just open it. Then, when you open it, you'll have to set your own message content that you want to be automated. So to set your own message, you just click on this plus sign like this. You click on it. Thereafter, you tap on. You have to tap on message, reply SMSs and phone call like this one. Then you have to set how you want it to appear, how you want it to be replied. For example, you can choose Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then you set again where you want the message to be replied to. If it is everybody, you tick on everybody. Then if you don't want the message to be replying to phone numbers less than 5 digits, you tap or you choose it. And then if you don't want the SMS to be replying to unknown numbers, you click, you choose it. And after completing these all settings, you'll be ready the message, or you'll be set up for auto reply SMS to mixed phone call and the messages. That is all about for tutorial today. If you have enjoyed my tutorial, please remember to leave a comment. Remember to subscribe and to share to your friends. Point to note on this tutorial, you know that for this app to function on two main issues, whereby to send an automated SMS to anyone who SMS you, and also to send an automated SMS to rejected and the missed call. When you click on both, you know that it needs to be upgraded. So you need to upgrade your account for it to have the two functions of auto replying to SMSs and the mixed calls. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. You meet again with another tutorial. Bye.